Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to install Disney Plus app on Windows. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the start menu over here on the bottom left. And now just simply search for Microsoft Store. And now just simply open the Microsoft Store application. And now from here, once you are on the Microsoft Store, just simply use the search bar at the top and just simply search for Disney Plus over here. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see the application. So just simply click on it. And now from here, you can just simply click on Get. And after that, you should be able to download the application. And from here, just simply wait for it to load up. And once it is done downloading, as you can see, you should be able to open up over here. So just simply click on open. And after that, you will have the Disney Plus application into your Windows. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Disney Plus. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.